You've lived in it your entire life. Every single second, every breath, every heartbeat, every thought. And you think you know it, but you don't. Right now, while you're watching this, your brain is running 100 billion electrical signals simultaneously. Your heart is creating enough pressure with every single beat to squirt blood 30 feet across a room. Your eyes are processing 10 million bits of information every single second, and you are completely unaware of almost all of it. You are not living inside a body. You are living inside the most sophisticated machine ever built in the history of the universe, and nobody ever gave you the manual. Until now. Let's start with the thing reading these words right now. Your brain. It weighs about 1.4 kilograms, looks like a wrinkled gray mass, feels like firm tofu when you touch it, and it is the most complex object in the known universe. Here's what it's doing right now that you don't know about. Your brain generates approximately 23 watts of electrical power while you're awake. That's enough to power a small LED bulb. You are literally running on electricity right now. And while you sleep, your brain doesn't rest. It runs a biological cleaning system called the glymphatic system that flushes out toxic waste products that accumulated during the day. Your brain literally washes itself every night, and if you don't sleep enough, that toxic waste builds up. Scientists have directly linked this buildup to Alzheimer's disease. Every time you skip sleep, your brain skips its cleaning cycle. That is not a metaphor. That is literal biology. Now let's talk about the thing beating in your chest right now, your heart. In your lifetime, your heart will beat approximately 2.5 billion times without a single break. Not one. It started beating just 22 days after you were conceived, before you had eyes, before you had a brain, before you were recognizably human. Your heart was already working. And your blood, the liquid running through 100,000 kilometers of vessels inside you right now, if you laid all your blood vessels end to end, they would wrap around the earth 2.5 times inside your body right now. And here's the part that should genuinely amaze you. Your blood is a living tissue, not a liquid, a living tissue. It contains red blood cells that live for 120 days, white blood cells that hunt and destroy invaders, platelets that form emergency clots in seconds, and plasma that carries hormones, nutrients, and signals to every single cell in your body simultaneously. Your blood is an army running through you every second of every day. Now here's the one that will genuinely disturb you in a good way. Your gut has its own nervous system, 500 million neurons running from your esophagus to your large intestine. Scientists call it the second brain, and it operates almost completely independently of your actual brain. That feeling in your stomach when you're nervous, that is your second brain, literally thinking, processing, responding to the world. 90% of your serotonin, the chemical that controls your mood, your happiness, your sense of well-being, is produced in your gut, not your brain, your gut, which means what you eat directly controls how you feel emotionally, not indirectly, not eventually, directly. The bacteria living in your digestive system, 38 trillion of them, outnumber your own body's cells. You are technically more bacteria than human, and those bacteria communicate with your brain through the vagus nerve, influencing your mood, your decisions, your anxiety levels every single moment. Your gut bacteria are partly running your life. Let's talk about the thing you see every day, your skin. It is your largest organ, and it replaces itself completely every 27 days. The skin you're in right now did not exist a month ago. You are literally a different surface than you were 27 days ago. And your skin contains approximately 45 miles of nerves so sensitive that they can detect a pressure of just 20 milligrams, the weight of a single fly landing on you. And here's something that will change how you see touch forever. Human skin specifically evolved to be sensitive to another human's touch. We have nerve fibers called C-tactile afferents that respond specifically only to gentle human touch at the exact speed of a caring caress. These nerves don't just feel touch, they trigger the release of oxytocin, the bonding chemical. Your body was literally designed to need human touch. Scientifically, biologically, it is not optional. You have lived inside this body every single second of your life, and it has never, not once, stopped working for you. Right now, your heart is beating, your brain is firing, your gut is thinking, your blood is fighting, your skin is feeling. All of it without a single instruction from you. All of it perfectly, quietly, relentlessly. You didn't build this. You didn't design this. You didn't earn this. You were simply given it, the most sophisticated machine in the universe, and it has been faithfully running every moment of every day of your entire life. Maybe that deserves a moment of genuine awe. Share this with someone who needs to be amazed by themselves today.